Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC U0155, which indicates a malfunction between the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the Gauge Control Module. Understanding this error is crucial for ensuring proper communication within the vehicle systems. The PCM is responsible for engine control, while the Gauge Control Module ensures proper readings for various vehicle parameters. When these components cannot communicate over the PF-CAN-A line or the PD-CAN-B line, the PCM will detect an issue and store this specific diagnostic trouble code, DTC. Proper troubleshooting is essential to identify and correct the underlying problems to restore functionality. This guide will walk through each step needed to diagnose and resolve the DTC, ensuring your Honda Accord operates smoothly. DTC U0155 signifies a malfunction in communications between two essential components: the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the Gauge Control Module, GCM. The PCM is pivotal in controlling engine functions and receives various inputs, while the GCM provides vital readings to the driver, such as speed and fuel level. Typically, these modules communicate over the PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B lines. If the PCM fails to receive signals from the GCM due to issues like power supply failure, the code will trigger. The exact locations of these components can vary by model, but generally, the PCM is positioned near the engine bay, while the GCM resides in the dashboard area or hidden behind the instrument panel. Ensuring both components are functional is vital for vehicle performance and reliability. Understanding the possible causes of DTC U0155 is essential for effective troubleshooting. One reason this code may appear is faults within the Gauge Control Module itself, which could prevent it from functioning correctly. Another critical cause could be failures in the power or ground circuits supplying the GCM. Without a proper supply, the module cannot operate effectively. Additionally, faults in the communication lines, specifically the PF-CAN-A line or the PD-CAN-B line, can disrupt the signals between these modules, resulting in the code being stored in the PCM. Notably, any of these failures could lead to a range of symptoms, making it imperative to methodically check each potential cause. When diagnosing DTC U0155, specific symptoms can help pinpoint the issue. Drivers may notice that their gauges are not functioning as expected, leading to wrong readings for speed or fuel level. The illumination of the check engine light may also occur, indicating an abnormal condition stored in the PCM. In more severe cases, problems in communication can contribute to poor engine performance, potentially compromising power delivery and efficiency. Notably, addressing these symptoms effectively requires a clear understanding of how the PCM and GCM interact. Understanding these clues aids in quickly diagnosing and resolving the underlying problems. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0155 focuses on establishing if the communication issue persists. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, ensuring that all systems are powered up. After switching to on, it is crucial to wait for exactly 6 seconds. This waiting period allows the PCM and GCM to initiate communication and establish a baseline for normal operations. If a fault persists after this time, it confirms ongoing issues between these two components. This step underscores the importance of careful timing in diagnostics. Even a brief interruption or delay can affect module performance. After confirming ongoing issues, the next focus is to check the power and ground circuits connected to the Gauge Control Module. This is essential because any failure within these circuits can prevent the GCM from receiving the necessary power to function. Inspect connections for corrosion, damage, or loose fittings, as these can affect electrical continuity. Additionally, testing the voltage and ground signals can help to determine if the fault lies within the circuit. A multimeter can be invaluable at this stage to measure voltage and ensure it meets specified parameters. Solid connections and functioning circuits are foundational for effective communication between the PCM and GCM. In this step, consulting the circuit diagram specific to the Honda Accord is paramount. These diagrams provide valuable insights into the connectivity and layout of the PF-CAN-A and PD-CAN-B communication lines. By thoroughly reviewing these diagrams, one can identify any potential issues that may disrupt communication between the PCM and GCM. Look for signs of disconnection or breaks along the communication lines. Pinpointing any bus connection issues is essential, as these could significantly impact the vehicle's performance. Addressing any discrepancies found here can often resolve the DTC without needing to replace modules. After completing the troubleshooting and making necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify the effectiveness of the work done. Start by clearing the DTC codes from the PCM using an appropriate diagnostic tool. This step ensures that the system resets and allows for fresh readings. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to check for any remaining error codes or symptoms. During the drive, monitor the instrument panel and observe if the gauges operate normally. Successful resolution will result in the absence of recurring codes or gauge malfunctions, confirming that the repairs were effective and thorough. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in ensuring the long-term health of the vehicle's electronic systems. Regular diagnostic checks can help identify potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Pay close attention to the functionality of the gauge control module, particularly during routine maintenance intervals. Consistently inspecting wiring and connections can prevent disruptions to power and communication lines. Moreover, keeping software updates current may enhance communication protocols, thereby mitigating problems related to DTCs. An informed approach to preventive maintenance not only extends the lifespan of vehicle components, but also enhances overall performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC U0155 requires an understanding of the communication between the Powertrain Control Module and the Gauge Control Module. Effective troubleshooting starts with a systematic approach, from confirming power and ground circuits to checking for communication line faults. The importance of verifying and clearing diagnostic codes cannot be overstated, as it confirms that repairs have succeeded. Furthermore, engaging in regular preventive maintenance not only enhances performance, but eliminates potential issues from occurring. Maintaining an informed approach to diagnostics and repairs is key in ensuring your Honda Accord functions optimally over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.